A very good morning, my dear students. Again, I welcome you all in the online English class. Last week, I already explained the lesson Abraham Lincoln. So today, again, I am going to summarize this lesson. This lesson is based on a great inspirational confidence story in that he shows how if we just keep moving towards our dream, we'll eventually make it. Abraham Lincoln overcame great setbacks and obstacles on his journey. Abraham Lincoln was an American statesman and lawyer. So, from this lesson, we know that Abraham Lincoln was born on 12th February 1809 in America. His father was a poor peasant. Abraham was a very studious boy, but he couldn't continue his studies because he had no money to pay the fees. So every morning, Abraham went to the farm with his father and he dug and plowed the farm. Abraham was too poor due to that he borrowed the books from his friends. Once Abe borrowed a book from his neighbor. That book was the biography of George Washington. That book Abe liked so much, so he couldn't return that book until he finished it. So Abe read the book in the whole night and left that book by the window. Due to heavily snowed, that book was totally wet. In the morning, when Abe saw the book, he felt sad. He wanted to purchase a new book and give it to the owner, but he had no money at all. Abe took the book to his neighbor and said, "I am very sorry for having damaged your book." That's why he was ready to do work in his neighbor's farm. After 3 days of hard work, Abe got the book again from his neighbor. He was so happy when he got the book again. He read the book again and again. Because of courage, hard work, and determination, Abe's dream came true, and he became the 16th President of the United States in 1861. His leadership in the North helped the country united. Abraham Lincoln changed the world using his powerful moral, courage, strong willpower, and taking action in the fight to end slavery and win the Civil War. So, from this lesson, we understand that if you are having a strong willpower to do something, you will definitely win. So, this is the summary of the lesson. Now, we come to the some exercise part from this lesson. So, first, we see the meanings of new words. We already seen the new words in this chapter. So now we see the meanings of new words. First one, peasant. Peasant means a small worker on a farm. Plow. Plow means cut or turn up the soil. Borrow. Borrow means take something and return later. Biography. Biography means the story of a person's life. Overjoyed. Overjoyed means very happy. Determination. Determination means strong will to do something. Promptly. Promptly means without delay. So, the students, you must learn all these word meanings and practice at home. So today I am going to stop here. Tomorrow I am going to continue the leftover exercise part of lesson 2. Thank you.